everyone. Let us all welcome the young and dynamic Mr. Amitabh Unstoppable.
Thank you. સૌથી પહેલા before I say anything, આ ફોટામાં ખોટું શું છે? બે હાથમાં ફરક શું છે? નેલ પેન્ટ સાચે નથી પહેરતો. આઈ થોટ સૌથી પહેલા હું એ જ કહી દઉં કે લગાડતો નથી, પણ આ લોકોએ ભૂલથી આવું કર્યું છે. ડોન્ટ ગેટ રોંગ આઈડિયાઝ કે ભાઈ, કારણ કે એક દિવસ યુવામાં તો 5-6 જણ નેલ પેન્ટ કર્યા. મને કે તમારા પેલા ફોટામાં છે ને એટલે અમે બી કરવા લાગ્યા. એ છોકરાઓ પ્લીઝ આ શરૂ ના કરતા, નો મેટર વોટ હેપન્સ. સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, કેમ છો બધા? ઓસમ. એક જોરદાર રાઉન્ડ ઓફ અપ્લોઝ પવન જૈન માટે થઈ જાય. આટલી સરસ સરસ શાયરીઓ કીધી. અને મારું અહીંયા ફેશન શો ચાલ્યા કરશે, જેમ મને આમ આગળ પાછળ કરશે. આ સ્પેશિયલ શૂટિંગ વાળું છે, જેમ કપિલ કીધું એને કે કેબીસી, આ કેબીસી જેવો શોમાં તમે આવ્યા છો. એટલે ક્યાં રહું? બોલું ખરો કે અહીંથી આગળ નહીં? પેલું કે લક્ષ્મણ રેખા જેવું કરી છે કે આ તમે શોખ લાગે કે અને તમારે બધા બી હલવાન નથી, જેમ છો આમ સ્લાઇડ બી કરો એટલે શોખ લાગશે તમને બધાને. એમને અલાઉડ છે ફ્રી, આ તો ચીટિંગ છે. સારું, સૌથી પહેલા બિગ રાઉન્ડ ઓફ અપ્લોઝ ફોર ઓલ ઓફ યુ. અને ટુ બી ઓનેસ્ટ, ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ આઈ એમ નોટિસિંગ ધેટ 70% ઓફ ધ ઓડિયન્સ પાસે ચશ્મા પહેરીને આવ્યા છે. એટલે બધા ચશ્મીશ લોકો માટે એકવાર જોરદાર તાલીઓ થઈ જાય. શું વાત છે, વાહ! અરે શું તમારા બધાના મોઢા પર સ્માઇલ્સ છે? તમારા બધાના મોઢા પર સ્માઇલ્સ માટે એકવાર જોરદાર તાલીઓ થઈ જાય. So we're going to have a lot of fun today, as usual. So if everyone can please get up, બધા ઊભા થઈ જાઓ. And everybody knows કે શું આવી રહ્યું છે. We're going to spread smiles and get everybody energized. So how many of you here have seen લગેલા મુન્ના ભાઈ? 2 વાર, 3 વાર, 4 વાર, 10 વાર. બાપરે, સંજય દત્ત હવે બહાર આવી ગયો, હવે એને સીધો જોઈ લેજો. Okay, I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds. In the next 30 seconds, please give a hug to 3 people around you. Go, 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 go. Alright, round of applause for you guys. Awesome. મજા આવી ગઈ. હું દર વખતે કહું છું કે પેલા છોકરા બધી છોકરીઓને આપી, આ વખતે કે પેલી છોકરીએ બધા છોકરાઓને ઝપ્પી આપી. Anyway, so I thought first question I have is, do I need this mic? Can I talk without the mic? આવશે તમારે ફીડ કે બેટર રહેશે માઇક રાખીશ? આ બધાને બી એક માઇક આપો હરાવવાના. આ લોકો કેમ શાંતિથી બેઠા છે? સારું. So, what we're going to start off with is some affirmations. You guys ready for affirmations? આ દિવાલો તોડી નાખવાની છે આજે. આ હોલમાં આપણે એકચ્યુઅલી પૈસા આપીને ભાડે કરાયો છે, એટલે પૂરેપૂરો વસૂલવાનો છે. અને એક ફોટામાં ક્રેક પડી જવી જોઈએ. બધા અંકલો જે બી છે, સલામ છે, પણ એમના મોઢા પર સ્માઇલ અને ફોટા પર ક્રેક હોવી જોઈએ. So here we go. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. Everybody get up, get up, get up, get up. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm in perfect health. I'm in perfect health. I'm in perfect health. I'm in bhukka health. I'm in bhukka health. Tell the person on your left and right, I'm in perfect health. I'm in perfect health. Only good lies ahead. Only good lies ahead. Only good lies ahead. Only good lies ahead. I make friends easily. I make friends easily. I make friends easily. Shake the hand of your person on your left and right and say, I make friends easily. I make friends easily. I'm cool and calm. 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 Thank you so much. Have a seat, guys. Awesome. So the reason for doing these affirmations that you guys just did, maja hi bata rahe. Did anyone feel like crying? Did anyone feel sad? Did anyone feel depressed? You felt good about yourself. So friends, like I always say this, that the words that come out of your mouth are the most important things in the world. Whatever you speak will be returned by the universe. If you say, I'm really good looking, good looks will come looking for you. If you say, I'm completely healthy, good health will come looking for you. If you say, I'm very intelligent, intelligence will come looking for you. If you say, I make friends easily, good friends will come looking for you. If you say, I'm the luckiest person in the world, good luck and good breaks will come looking for you. Same way, if you say, I'm slow, slow will come looking for you. If you say, yaar, you know what, I've got too much acne on my face, acne will come looking for you. Girls, be careful what you say. If you say, I'm very bad at public speaking, yaar, bad public speaking will come looking for you. Whatever comes out of your mouth is going to come looking for you. And the main thing I want to talk to you guys about is, are you asking big? What are you asking from the universe? Are you saying, ke yaar, you know, maru શું કહેવાય 50% આવી જાય ને તો ચાલશે. You know, I just want 50%. But Amitabh, you don't understand. I am a 30% student. I have always been praying for 50%. And 50% is a lot for me. Tathastu. A lot of people come and say, but you know, I'm short-tempered. How many of you are short-tempered? So, taliyo padiye. Should we clap? Because you say I'm short-tempered, you are short-tempered. If you say I'm cool and calm, you'll be cool and calm. If you say કે કોઈના કાકાની ઓકાત નથી કે મને ગુસ્સો કરાઈ શકે, then you'll be like that. If you say I'm fast, if you say I'm a great public speaker, if you say I'm a winner, whatever you say, if you don't take away anything from me, always friends, just remember one thing. If you associate one thing with Amitabh, it is we have to speak positive words. Or we shut up. How is it going to help if I say, Arey yaar, that heroine's looking so fat, na? Oh man, you know, all the roads are so bad in India. Oh, the government is so corrupt. How is that helping you? Or she's too slow all the time. Oh, he's late again. Oh, he's an idiot. How does that help you? Unless you have something positive to say about somebody or yourself, don't speak it. It's okay to think it, because you are conditioned for such a long time. You might get feelings of jealousy, anger, you might feel a little low sometimes, but don't verbalize them. When you verbalize things, when you speak with your mouth, you are predicting your future. If anybody here wants to know what they are going to be in the future, just watch your words right now. Are you saying that I'm going to be the Prime Minister of India? Are you saying I'm going to be a rock star? Are you saying that I'm working out in absolutely fantastically? I'm waking up more in the morning every day. I'm the most disciplined person in the world. Whatever you say, friends, is going to keep on happening in a big way. So, if this is the secret, ખાલી બોલવાનું જ છે confidently with full belief that you're going to get it or you already have it, then why not ask for big things? When You Are Unstoppable started, friends, it's an NGO. So you need to go up to people and ask for money. Okay, bhai, we want to give scholarships to these two orphan children. You know, they are doing fantastic in their school. They are toppers. But can you give money? Something as small as 5,000 rupees. So at first, I was like, yeah, how can I go and ask someone for money? You know, it feels a little weird. How many of you feel a little weird asking someone for money? Even in your house, sometimes asking for money, you feel weird? There are a lot of people, when it comes to asking for money, they will kind of back off or slow down. Correct? So the same people from whom we were asking for 5,000 rupees, after some time we asked for 50,000 rupees. 5,000 they said yes, 50,000 they said yes, 5 lakhs they said yes, 50 lakhs they said yes, 5 crores they said yes. It was just that we didn't have the guts to ask. Because maybe we thought we were not good enough. Do you guys understand? Oh, we are too young. हमें तो नाना छोकरा होते हैं. Oh, we are nuanced or we are kids, you know. हमें तो शायरी करी है, we have fun, but we don't know real hardcore work. Hardcore work. Who else does real hardcore work? How old is Virat Kohli? Do you guys know? How old? 26, 27 he is, right? He is the captain of Indian cricket team. How many of you here are 23? How many of you are above 20? Everybody is above 20, right? So Kohli started playing when he was 20, earlier than that. And under 19 he won us the World Cup, if you guys remember that. So who says that you have to be a certain age, you need certain experience, only then you can crack in? It's your words, it's your self-belief that is keeping us where we are. And now we are going to go and ask for 50 crores to build toilets for girls in municipal schools. In 400, girls are using one toilet. Unhygienic, no privacy, bugs are flying everywhere. It is because we were afraid to ask. This entire month, friends, okay? This entire month, I'm going to the United States of America. We've been invited to speak at places like Harvard, Wharton, and people who were going to speak at the Wharton India Economic Forum. Dr. Abdul Kalam went, Anil Ambani went last year. I think Shah Rukh Khan has gone to speak there. So when they invited us, I was not surprised. I was waiting for it because I believe that good things chase us. That we are a factory of attraction of good things. We are a factory of positive thoughts. So when they asked, it was perfectly fine. Awesome. What else, God? This is a really cool game. What else can happen? Everybody there, they're like chairman of IDFC Bank, chairman of Bain, all the Roni Screwwala, if you've heard of UTV. Remember Roni Screwwala, UTV you've heard of? UTV Productions? The owner of that who sold it to Disney. He's there. So all these people are coming. Now for a second, do we not feel that we do not belong? We belong. We absolutely belong. Also, in California, they've got something called the $1 Million Round Table. The $1 Million Round Table is something, minimum tame 6 crore ki 60 crores. If you give between $1 million and $10 million every year, you are invited to be a part of that. If you give that as charity, it's a big charity, right? Koi ek jan dar varshe, if he's giving 7 crores to 70 crores, is that a big charity? Correct? So these are the world's biggest philanthropists, and they've got 150 of them from all over the world who are going to be there in California. And they said, well, can you come as our special guest and share the work that You Are Unstoppable is doing in Ahmedabad? I said, absolutely. And then I tell God, what else? We are ready. What else can you bring? We are ready. Bring it. We are prepared. Where you are born does not have to determine where you end up at. Alright, this is very important to understand. Where you are born. Modi ji was a tea salesman, right? Abdul Kalam used to study under street lights. Where you begin is not where you end up, it's where you are going. It's what's important is where you are going and what you are saying about yourself. I'm probably the only one who will tell you guys. A lot of time what happens is that we look at our parents and their parents are amazing and we have to be grateful to them because they are the reason why we are here. But a lot of times, and they want the best for us, trust me, they always want the best for us. But I've seen a lot of parents who scare their kids. Oh, this is something you cannot do. Oh, you are a girl, or oh, you are XYZ, or oh, you cannot go there, or oh, you cannot speak there. That is for big people. You guys heard that? I don't know if you heard that or not. That is not a place where people like us can go. What the hell is people like us? Each one of you has greatness inside you. Some of you here are amazing painters. Some of you here are amazing dancers. Some of you here are amazing at karate. Some of you here are absolutely amazing in studies. Some of you here are fantastic in public speaking. Some of you here are fantastic maybe in understanding how to deal with people. All of you here are meant for greatness. All of you are going to be wonderful leaders. All of you are going to be great businessmen. All of you here are going to be amazing politicians, amazing doctors, lawyers, musicians, dancers, and everything. I pray to God and I unleash these positive thoughts in all of you. That you can be unstoppable. Doesn't matter where you are right now. It's where you'll end up. Ask big. Ask big. Remember this saying, बोले ना बोर वेचा है. बोले ना बोर वेचा है. English માં શું કહેવાય ને? બોલે ना बोर वेचा है. पवन जी इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलते हैं बोले ना बोर वेचा है? Anybody, come on. More get sales if you speak. So I'm just gonna say ask big. Okay? And I learned this from my grandmother. So I want to share you the story of my grandmother. My grandmother is about 88 years old and we call her the nuclear bomb. She's only about 30 kilos. That's it. About maybe 4 feet 6 inches tall she is. But she has got a voice and she can yell and she can shout and she does not need a mic when she does that. So one day she yells she's in the ground floor, I'm on the 3rd floor of the house. She yells, "Hey, Amitabh, come down right now." Just one yell is enough, you know. I left all the phone calls, I was on some important phone call, I left it, I ran down and she says, "Look buddy, I'm 88 years old and I'm feeling some heartburn. You take me to the doctor right now, I don't care. You take me right now." He's asking. Now, I know કે એનું થોડું વાઘ આવે વાઘ હોય જેવું હોય છે અમુક વાર કે it's not really, she's not really feeling sick but she's still asking. But she said, "Amitabh, drop everything and take me right now." I said, "Sure, Daddy." So I hung up on a very important call. I was talking to one very famous cricketer who's doing a lot of good work with us. I said, "Man, I'll talk to you later. You know, my daddy needs help." So I take my grandmother to the hospital where she wanted us to go. Now, there is no parking in the hospital. Alright? The only parking available was outside the door. Right outside the door, we could park, but then no cars could go in or come out. So I told Daddy, there is nowhere I can park and there is no one who can take you, so what should I do? She said, "Wait." She rolls her window. There is a watchman there. She said, "Hey dikra, ahiya hai. Come here, son." She said, "Son, I'm 88 years old. I'm really tired. I have an emergency. I'm going to park my car here and go in. You keep the keys and you move the car if required." So I thought obviously he'll say, no, we don't do all these things, right? Usually we think. He said yes. Just like I had said yes to take her to the hospital, he said yes. We parked the car in front of the freaking door. Now we go in. Now there's a big line of people. Obviously she didn't take an appointment. There's a big line of, I think maybe 20 people are ahead of us. So I thought, at least 2 hours. So I sit my granny down and say, "Grandma, about 2 hours, we'll get inside. Don't worry. Hang on to your heartburn." She's like, no. She got up and she told everyone. She told everybody, "Beta, listen to me. Dear children, listen to me. I'm 88 years old. I'm not feeling good. I've got heart problems. So can I go straight in?" Some ladies there were older than her. I think they were like maybe 95 who were waiting in the lines. But everybody said, straight inside the doctor. Now the doctor already has a patient inside. Do you think she cares? She goes straight in and she tells the doctor, I am? Treat me right now. I've got a heart problem. So the doctor checked her out. He said everything is fine, gives her a couple of medicines and goes away. But the bottom line, friends, that I learned from this experience is that if you ask, you will get. If you don't ask, there is no chance of getting. Then ask big. Why not asking big? If you can ask, why not ask big? Clear? Ask your parents for more money. No, don't do this. What did you learn from him? Ask big from people around you. You'll be surprised that they will open doors and they'll help you. So, how many of you here have seen Rang De Basanti? Bhag Milkha Bhag. Who's the director? So, what is Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra of UA? He's one of the brand ambassadors. Okay? Did you meet, how many of you met Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra when he came? Okay, a few of you. So Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra came to see the activities that we are doing across the city, municipal schools. He saw the toilets, he saw the drinking water facilities, and he was wowed. He said, wow, this is absolutely amazing work you're doing. I would love to support you in every way possible. So when we went to Bombay, we were sitting in his office and just chit-chatting about different ways of work that we could do. And he said, okay, what can we do? I said, sir, can we get Amir involved? He said, sure. Calls Amir up, gets him involved. That's it. He said, yes, Rakesh ji, batana, jab bhi event kar rahe ho, main aa jaunga. Itna acha kaam hai. It's amazing. Then I thought, okay, this is awesome. Then he said that, you guys should have someone in Bombay. Right? Coming back and forth to Ahmedabad. In Bombay, there is all the celebrities, all the corporate houses. Everybody is here. So you should have someone in Bombay. So I said, why not ask? While we are asking, I said, okay, how about the room next to you? It looks empty. Can we have a UA office here? In your office, in Pali village, in Bandra. He said, yeah, sure. When would you like to start? I said, tomorrow. So you guys might know Parth Vasauda, who is one of the UA leaders. He's moved there in Bombay. He works next to Rakesh Mehra. UA's whole office is there. So whatever we ask for starts happening. Ask freaking big. Okay? At least when you pray at night, ask big from God. You never know what you will get. So how many of you like Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie? Everybody likes? Awesome. How many of you don't know who is Brad Pitt? How many of you don't know who is Angelina Jolie? That's his wife. Okay, they are two of the biggest global stars. How many of you know Tom Cruise? How many of you don't know Tom Cruise? Everyone knows. So I thought, let's keep playing this game now. If God is helping the children in such a big way and we are the platform, why not play a big game? So last January, UA Unstoppable won the Princess Prize for Innovative Philanthropy in Monaco. Okay, they had applications from all over the world. Yale University had nominated us for the work we are doing. The guy who came in second was Jack Ma. Who's Jack Ma? Alibaba.com. He's richer than Mukesh Ambani. They came in second. Alright? They came in second. They're doing great work too. But we were able to showcase that the work we are doing is not as big a scale as there is, but it has potential to be even a bigger scale than anything else. 2 hours a week volunteering can happen in Australia, China, America, anywhere, right? Young people are everywhere. People who need our help are everywhere. So friends, what happened there is there was a Hollywood producer there. How many of you know Justin Bieber? Okay, a lot of you know so biggest rock stars in the world. So this Hollywood producer, Bill O'Dowd, made a movie with Justin Bieber called I Believe. You can check it out on YouTube. He was in the audience. He got inspired by the speech we gave. He calls after I come back to India and said, man, I want to work with you guys. What can we do? I said, apne Angelina or Brad Pitt ko jante ho? He's like, of course, because this guy's a big shot Hollywood producer. He said, I know them. I said, Tom Cruise? He said, I know them. I said, can you connect UA Unstoppable to them and tell them that these people are doing amazing work in India and somehow we can work together? He said yes. Like, what the hell is this, man? Why was I not asking earlier? I could have married Angelina Jolie maybe, I don't know. For all of guys who are single, Priyanka Chopra is still single. So, anyway. So, if you ask, maybe you'll get. But if you don't ask, impossible. Remember this one thing in life. So, he spoke to Brad Pitt, Angelina, and Tom Cruise. We sent a one-page letter. We showed the before-after pictures of the program, volunteer photographs of what work you are doing. And guess what they said? Any guesses? पवन जैन से हमारी पास है नहीं तरह पति क्यों लोगों So they said yes. They said we'll be happy to support. So I'm going to California, Beverly Hills. Hopefully I'll meet their agents. I don't think those dates they are there. And figure out if there is any collaborations that can be happening. Friends, it's all here. It's all freaking here. My parents have seen, we were in a Luna. You know, someone said, oh, but you know, Amitabh's family is so rich. They are so wealthy. I have seen days when we were in a bicycle with my parents. I rode a bicycle behind my dad. I remember the Luna that we had. Alright. And I remember my mom making sure that we got a cake at a birthday party. This memory I have. Because times were difficult when we were growing up. But as we grew up and we knew the secret to life is what you speak and what you ask. All the surgeon kids, you can go to Harvard if you want. If you really want, you can. Doors will open up, people like us will come around, will be inspired by you and will figure out a way. Nothing is not possible. So my brother ended up going to Harvard. Now I would see him get into Harvard. I was like, what? This guy got into Harvard. I've seen him in Chaddi. I've seen him playing Lakhoti, playing Pota, you know, fighting for 2 rupees. He's a 2 rupees person. How can he get into Harvard Business School? Harvard Business School is the biggest business school in the world. He got in. I was like, then I can also get into Yale. Applied, got in. Friends, the magic of life is to ask big. You guys clear? Ask big. Ask really freaking big for everything in life. Now, one thing while I tell you about asking big is make sure that each one of you is focused on getting better every day. It doesn't, you don't, when I say ask big, you don't have to say, oh, I want to be like Mukesh Ambani. What does that mean? What do you enjoy doing in life? Do you like maths? Go deep into maths. Be the best mathematician possibly you can. Read books by the best mathematicians in the world. Want to be a painter? Be the best at it. Find out who the best people are in your city. Meet them. Tell them that I'm ready to do anything to learn more. Whatever your passion is, you have to follow that. My passion is to speak and inspire people, encourage people, make them feel better off than before, make them feel like they're world beaters and that they can do it. Yes, they can do it. So every day for 2 hours I read about some of the best speakers in the world. Shiv Khera hoy, if there's Joel Osteen there, or Donald Trump does a lot of good motivational speaking too these days, or Modi ji, or Abdul Kalam. Whoever these great people are, I listen and try to understand their mindset. And all of them had this amazing positive mindset that yes, it's possible. It's possible. That has to come. And you have to become an expert. Every day, still 2 hours, I am practicing how to give a better speech. Every single day, friends. I look in the mirror, I take notes, I prepare. How can I get better every day at this? How can I get world class at this? So whatever it is that you're interested in mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, whatever the heck you're interested. How many of you are engineers here? Oh, Bap. All are engineers only? How many of you are forced engineers? Okay. So majority of you like engineering. then whatever the best company is in Ahmedabad, email the CEO, not the HR head, not the vice president, the CEO. Do research on him, send him an email and say, I really liked the way you've grown the business, I like your background, blah, blah, blah. I would love to meet you and get your thoughts. They will give you time. You will be surprised how a single email works, especially if you're appreciating them. So जो भी यहाँ पर उसको निकाल दो. Stop seeing these boundaries, you know, that oh, I'm an intern, so I can only talk to this person. Oh, I'm a second year student, so I can only speak to the HOD. I can't speak to the dean, or I can't speak to the director. What the hell is a director and dean and principal going to do, man? They're human beings like you and me. Are they not human beings? Some people are scared to talk to their father. Is he not a human being? Ask big. Speak. Has there been a time that you wanted to meet someone but you stopped? Yeah? Has there been a time like that? I'm sure. Just go up to people and say, hey, I want to talk to you quickly. I really like this about you. Can you please guide me more about this? Simple. Don't do that with the girls, guys. They're already getting ideas. They're already getting ideas. But see, a lot of time people, what they don't understand is that they try to keep chasing people. Why don't you become the kind of person that the whole world wants to come to? Right now, be it VVS Lakshman, be it Irfan Pathan, be it the musician Amit Trivedi, Shamak Davar, all these celebrities, be it the topmost industrialists, they come and ask you Unstoppable कि हमको ये काम करना है बच्चों के लिए. आप हमें guide कर सकते हो? How can we do it in the best possible way? Because they look at us as experts when it comes to kindness and compassion. In education, in healthcare, in sanitation. That's how they look at us. So it is time for us to start giving back to people. For us to ask big. So with that, friends, I just wanted you guys to have this one small knowledge, and then we'll open it up for questions. Just want you guys to take back, ask big. But as we open it up for questions, I want you guys to have one thing with you. A lot of you are aware of this. But the way all of you are sitting right now, I can tell how many of you here are very confident. I can tell how many of you here are little sleepy. Nobody. Everybody's great. How many of you are great listeners? How many of you are shy? How many of you are like, man, I am really going to start asking big and speaking positive. I'm going to learn from the lecture today. Bring it in my life. It's very evident just by looking at you. So, body language matters. How many of you like chocolates here? How many of you here like hugging people? Felt good, right? How many of you here eat a little more when you're with your friends? How many of you here like Salman Khan? Katrina Ben? Because whenever you are seeing them or when you are doing these things, your oxytocin and serotonin level goes up in the body. It's a happiness hormone which goes up in the body and makes you feel good. So everybody get up. There's a professor called Amy Cuddy at Harvard Business School who came up with the concept of power posing. She said that the way you sit down is going to change the way you feel. Okay? But you have to do it for 2 minutes. So everybody please go with me. Yes! 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 Look at the person on your left and right. Yes! 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 I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. Come on, look them in the eye and say, I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. All right, everybody stand like this. This is Superman pose. Superman, I'm a boy. Cover it. There's got a cape behind him. Stand like this with your shoulders back and be like, what's up? What's up? What's up? I'm a rock star. Stand like this for 2 minutes. How many of you felt like crying? How many of you felt sad? Mummy nahi aata aaj. I'm joking. So if you stand like this, do this for 2 minutes before an important interview, before an important exam, it will surge your body with positive hormones. Okay, next time you feel like crying, can you cry when you're like this? But you're like this, you can cry if you're in a bed. So 2 minutes, say yes, yes, yes. And now when you sit down, sit with your shoulders back, like you own this place. Everybody sit down. Tamara pappani icche evu vichayad beso badda. Yeah. Sit back. Yeah, exactly. Awesome, 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 awesome. This is called power posing. This is how all of you need to sit in your college, in your interviews. Not too much gunda type, but with your shoulders back, automatically you will get answers and you'll get things to say. So we learned 3 things today, guys. What's the first thing? Ask big. Ask very big. Second thing, affirmations. Look in the mirror every morning and remind yourself who the hell you are. Why help 10,000 children? Why help 300,000 children? We can help 300,000 million children if we really want to. And the third thing, power posing. Sit like you are a rock star. Sit with your shoulders back. 2 minutes, do the yes, yes, yes thing, and then you'll blow it away. And then you'll absolutely blow it away. And one small message that I want you to take, another message is, as Pawan was here doing his shairi, did you see how he fumbled a few times? But did he give up? Perfect example. Perfect example of leadership is you just stay unstoppable. Because he believes inside that I'm unstoppable. And I promise you that 10 minutes bhi thi hote ne. And even if you have forgotten the shairi, he would have come back after my talk and said, Abhi yaad aa gayi, listen everybody. Confidence and being unstoppable. Get back up. No matter what happens, get up, look up, move on. But these things will not happen unless and until you practice the affirmations. Otherwise, this will be a great speech. Awesome speech. We are charged up. But after 2 days, 3 days, but what I have given is a very simple thing. Just sit with your shoulders back everywhere. Do the affirmations in the morning. Look in the mirror and say, I'm a rock star, I'm a rock star, I'm getting up early, I'm making friends easily. Whatever it is that you want, you will start attracting good things. Start watching the words that come out of your mouth. Even Eminem, just when you guys are sitting, why should you make fun of someone who's not there? How does that help you move ahead in life? Oh, have you seen this volunteer? He's like this, he said this, he's so stupid. How does that help you? Watch the words that come out of your mouth. Are you complaining? Are you criticizing others too much? Are you getting angry too much? Whatever you are saying, they are not going to change. But your life is going to go to shit. Whatever you are saying, you're going to attract that. But if you start saying positive things, there'll be joy, there'll be victory, there'll be happiness and wonder in your life. So friends, please try these few techniques. Power pose, do affirmations, and watch your words. And I'll see you guys at the top. Stay unstoppable. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.